Good morning! The box is a bit broken. We got new delivery in the mail. It's a table saw. It's a very cheap one. $100. There was a cheaper version, which was more shitty and more plasticky. I already took one out. It's something. A back plate or something bottom. We have a saw protector thing that goes on top of the saw, so whenever your thing goes under, the blade is not exposed. For safety reasons. We have some legs here. Basic things. It's a table saw. Oh, look at this extra little toolie they give. Little plastic one, so you can push the wood onto the blade, so you're not touching with your hands in case your hand goes by. So, what is this? Ooh! Oh! Oh! This is a side rail for the side, so you can follow this side or something like that. I don't know really. I need to check the instructions what that is. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, some more attachment things. We have some more legs and stuff. This is a lot more than the previous one I did. The previous one I did was that there. That's not a table saw, what is that called? An angle saw, something like that. That's a very good tool, also 100. The video is down in the description below, you can check it out. Very good machine, I've used it for 2 weeks. It's amazing for the money. I didn't expect that at all. Cuts perfectly, it's a bit too small, the blade, but it fits me perfectly. For all the woods I've cut so far, no problem at all. Some tools it gives you with it, very good. Some plastics for the legs, I guess. We have the manual. Okay, so we have some extensions for the table. I think they have measurings on them, so I assume that's the table to make it bigger. Okay, so let's take out the whole thing itself.
You want me to help you? Okay, wait.
Okay. Oh, we have some more legs here.
What?
More leg stuff.
Okay, and a box it for me.
Okay. Okay, so that's the table. The saw. So more legs. More legs. We have the instructions here. Did they even tell you how to build it? Oh my god. What? Where are we starting from? Okay, well this is very complicated. That's the Latvian one. I will get going to assemble it. I will assemble it and show you how it works. How good is it? So, let me just... So let's try it out. Let's press it on. It's pretty loud, so... That's pretty good, pretty clean cut. That's very nice and clean, isn't it? It wasn't getting stuck so much, because the worst thing for the saw is when it goes in here and gets that far, it gets stuck between here, and then the blade is gonna shoot the wood out like a projectile and usually hits the belly. And I've seen some pictures with some blue bellies, and it's not probably nicest pain. Worst case would be to hit the face. That's also awful. But this one is not doing it so far. I mean, it's cheap. It is not the most expensive machine, but it definitely does work, and it works pretty good. Don't do that at home. Okay, so you can make cubies. You can make all kinds of stuff. We pretty much have the tool to success to make our own furniture, right, Desi?
Mm-hmm.
So
There also goes the laser, which we don't have.
we says that we need a laser. Also has like a hood here to cover the blade. Not the biggest fan of this thing. I don't even know how it works. Somewhere it attaches
And
on.
this one.
Where does that touch on? Yeah, and this one here for the level. I have no idea where that goes. I think it goes into these screws here. So maybe not. No idea. Okay, so that's it. I mean, that's pretty much all we want to do. Right, this thing?
Mm-hmm.
So, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a cheap tool that might not be available for every country, but it's a tool that we reviewed. If you want to get this tool, you can probably not get it, and don't dream about it. But I have it, and I will try it. But you might have a similar tool for $100 and you just want to know what the hell do you get for $100. You get pretty much the same thing as you get for $500, but a lot cheaper. It still does the work. So for home use, perfect. Professional, I would not consider it. I would go for something more expensive. Invest. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you in my next one.